Welcome to MS-Tech. This basic operator training video covers most of what you'll need to know to get started on using your new MS-Tech CNC control. Please make sure to follow all standard safety procedures and safety policies at your workplace. If you have questions or suggestions, please contact us.
This is our operator panel, which will help you interface with the CNC machine. Our operator panel has various specialized keys and push buttons, which allow for quick interaction with our CNC control. To navigate our menus, for example, you can either click on the appropriate menu option or use the F1 to F10 keys to select the matching function key. Another example is the cycle start push key and on-screen button, which do the same operation. This is the emergency stop button. If you need to pause or stop machine operations immediately for any reason, you can push this button. If at any point you feel that the machine is not performing as expected, you should push this button to prevent potential damage and injury. Now, let's move on to the usage of your new CNC control. When starting up your machine, simply press the power on button and wait for the CNC to enter the main screen as shown. From the main screen, you can access various functions either by clicking on the appropriate button via mouse or pressing the corresponding function key on the keyboard. Each time the machine is restarted, your first task will be to home the machine, which can easily be done by clicking manual or pressing F4. Manual mode is for manual operations such as homing, jogging, etc. When the home or F8 function is selected, you can home an axis by pressing one of the jog keys. You can also jog the machine in manual mode by selecting the appropriate jog function. The times 1, 10, and 100 correspond to jog speed. Then, jog using the hand wheel or jog keys. You can also change the current tool of the machine by using the keys for next tool and previous tool. Once the machine is homed, go back to the main menu. If you need to directly control the machine, you can do so under MDI mode or F3, which stands for Manual Data Input. You can input various commands as necessary. For example, if we were to enter the code S200M3, the spindle would begin to turn at a rate of 200 RPM. You can also use the drop-down menu to quickly repeat commands stored in your recent history. If you need to access or change both tool and work offsets, you can do so from the Setup mode, F5, on the main menu. On each page, use the attached tables to easily modify your CNC control's offset values. Additionally, you can use the offset measurement function to determine your offset based on current axis positions. Our CNC interfaces with probes for measurement as well. From the main menu, to load in your NC program, you need to enter Edit mode, or F2. To load a program into our CNC control, simply click the File button on your screen and then select the appropriate dialog option. Additionally, if you wanted to make a fresh program or edit your existing one, you can make changes and save your new parts program from this page. Additionally, you can use the Find and Replace option to search for particular terms in your G-code programs to make quick repeated changes. In Edit mode, you can also access the Help menu, which brings up a full G-code and M-code list. Now, head back to the main menu. Your machine should be homed and ready for operation with your NC program loaded. So enter Auto mode, or F1. The center area of this menu displays your parts program. A line in red means that block is being executed, or will be executed if execution is stopped by an M0, M1, or single block command. Pressing a function key of simulate, single block, optional stop, or block skip will toggle corresponding functions to on or off. If a function is in an on state, the small triangle indicator on the screen will light up in yellow. In auto mode, we recommend that you first select the Simulate or F1 function to have our CNC control verify your G-code program. The control will generate a 3D graphic of your toolpath, which can be seen by changing the view mode with the View Select or F10 button. To view the simulation from various angles and zoom levels, you can right-click on the simulated graphic. You can also use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. This will allow you to check your parts program prior to running a real part. Once the toolpath has been verified, simply unselect the Simulate function before hitting the Cycle Start button. This will cause your machine to run your parts program. If you need to stop machining partway for any reason, you can also restart a program, either from the beginning of a tool or from a specific line, by using the Restart or F7 function. If you want to terminate a program execution, you should press Feed Hold first, and then press the Escape key to return to the main menu. In auto mode, you may also use the hand wheel to change overrides such as spindle speed override, feed rate override, rapid traverse rate override, etc. To do so, press the yellow keyboard key corresponding to the desired function, and then adjust the value using the hand wheel. This basic operations video has covered the key functions needed in day-to-day standard machining. Please refer to our operator manuals for details and other features that can help you machine more efficiently. For more information on our control, or if you have any questions or recommendations, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your time and have a great day.